Welcome back to Lennox Bennett channel. This is another City and Hills stage 2. It's for everyone, alright? Last week the lottery prize was $1,894,000. What is the amount? So 1,894. So that would be can get up some more here. 2. What is 70,680? 70,668. 70,680. So that is C. All right, let's move on to 3. In which one of these numbers does 5 have the same value as 5 tens? That would be CD 5 tens, right? Good, guys. Good, no man. One time pick it up. Number 4, a plant is 52 inches tall. How tall is a plant in inches? So we have to divide it by 4. So 52 by 4, and then the remainder will be the inches. All right, so forget the feet. We divide it by 12 because that's 12 inches. So that's 4. That's 48. The remainder would be 4. So that's 4 feet 4 inches. Very good question. A teacher has 3-meter roll of tape to make name tags. He uses 6 centimeters of the tape to make each tag. How many name tags can he make from the roll of tape? So first we need to convert this to centimeter. So that's 3 multiplied by 101 meter, and then divide by 6. 6 into 0 so that's 5, and then 0. So 6, 5, 37. Teacher can make 50 name tags. All right, so let's move on to 6. 3 passes weigh 1.3 kilogram, 7,400 gram, and 17,500 gram. What is the total weight of the 3 parcels? All right, so guess what? I will convert everything to gram and then convert to kilogram. So 1.3 kilogram is the same as 1,000. That makes 100. So that's 7,400. So these are the centimeter. It's a gram right now. So 0, 5, and 4, 9. 5 and 4, 9, and 3, 12, so that's 2, carry 1, 7, 7, 14, 15, 16. So that's 26,200. But to convert this, we need to divide by 1,000. All right, so it would be 26 divided by 1,000, and that will give us our answer. As we want to convert from centimeter. So the decimal point is here. So say 1, 2, 3. So that's 26.2 kilograms. So that would be C. Very nice question. We appreciate the nice question, guys. We appreciate them. A man measured the space for a door as 3 feet wide at the hardware store. The doors are measured in metric units. Which of the following metric measurement is nearest to 3 feet? No. 1 centimeter. No, 2.5 centimeter. Oh, centimeter. No, 1 meter. Sure. Sorry, I got a bad deal down there. All right. So let's look at number 8. I need to go up. All right. The 8 p.m. Perry is delayed by 25 minutes. What time will the Perry department use the 24-hour clock? All right. So first, 8 p.m. Okay. So first, let us convert it from the regular to 24, right? So that would be 20. And if you delay 25 minutes, the subtract, so that's 90. All right. Which of the following best describe a typical midday in Jamaica in August? I have no idea. So hot. All right. What is 6,039 minus that? So we don't say ended up 4. 7 from 3, you can't. 0 now, not putting in us. Then 9. 7 from this leaves 6. 2 from that leaves 7. 1 from 5 leaves 4. So 4, 7, 6, 4. 4, 7, 6, 4. That's B. All right, let's move on. Add 8,403, 10,236, 199. All right, so unit and a unit, tens and a tens, 100 and 100,000 and 1,000. Even though this is not Oh, this plus this, this is a 99. I think you say I read here. 9 and 3, 12, and that's 15. Carry 1. That's 2. Carry 1. Oh, God. Alright, so 9 and 3, 12, and that's 15. 5 carry 1. Oh, and a 0. I think Jesus Christ. So 10,000, not 1,000. Jaja. Waste of time. Waste of time is a bit. Waste of time. Alright, so 10th one. Plus 10,236. And then 8,403. Alright, so 9 and 6, 15, and that 8. So 8 carry 1. 10 plus that 13, 3, 7, 8. When you have this. So that's C, 18,830. Alright, so let's move on to 12. A car rental business wants to replace 16 tires on their cars. Each tire costs 3,026. What is the cost of 16 tires in total? So we have 16 tires. You want to replace. Let's replace them. 6, 6, 36. 6, 2 is 12 plus 3, 15. 6, 0, 0 plus 1, 1. 6, 3 is 8. Put a 0 to hold the space. Show us we are multiplied by 10 now. So that's 0, 1, 6, 6, 1, 2, 2, 1, 0, 0, 1, 3, 11. That we have 4, 8, 5, 4. So 48, 4, 1, 6. So that is C. Alright, so let's move on to 13. A school has 4,200 to be refunded equally between 60 students. How much does each student receive? Sixteen to 4 and 16 to 42 and so that's 70 students. All right, 6, 7, 42, blah blah blah. All right, six teachers buy a leaving gift for $6.93. They share the cost equally. How much does each person pay? So that's $6.93 divided by 6. 6 into 6, 1. 6 over 9. 6 into 9, 1. 6, 1, 6. So that leaves. I may have 5. 6 into 33, 5 would be decimal point, right? So this is 3, 6, 5, 30. So that remains a 3. Add on the 0, that's a 5. 6, 5, 30. So that's a D. Number 15. Holders are sold in packs of 25. A bookshop orders 1,250. What is the total number of holders ordered? So holders are sold in packs of 25. And they order 25. So that's a multiply. So 1, 2, 5, 0, 5, 0, 0, 5, 5, 25. 5, 2 is 10, and then 12. 5, 1 is 5. So that's 6, 25. Put a 0. 2, 0, 0. 2, 5, 10. 1 carries 0. 2, 2 is 4, and 1 is 5. 2, 1 is 2. No, so now so I'm gonna write. Alright. So you have an extra 0. No, it's correct. It's correct. So that is 0, 5, 2, 6, and 5, 11, and 1, 3. So that's 31. 2. Remember, guys, you are supposed to multiply for yourself, right? There are 2,400 students in a school. Each student needs 2 pencils. There are 15 pencils in a box. How many boxes are needed? All right, so let's just see now. There are 2,400 persons in a school. Each student needs 2 pencils. So if a 24, that means in all, it has to be 48. 4,800, right? And there are 15 pencils in a box. So this is how many boxes you need. So this now would give us 3. 3 times this, 45. 15 into 32. So that's 320. All right, so let's move on to 17. I tell nobody like a sweet shop has 45 tubs of sweet. Each tub contains 72 tubs. The shop sells 2 full tubs. How many of the sweets are left in the shop? All right, so let's just find the total first, and then we can submit. All right, I'm going to say a 43 tubs. Now look what it says. Each tub contains 170 sweets. The shop sells 2 full tubs. So instead of say, all right, so I could do it the original way. Just to find out all of it. 10, 0, 1, 5, 7, 35, and 1, 36. 5, 1 is 5. Forgot the total, right? 0, 4, 2 is 8, 4, 7 is 28, 4, 1 is 4, and that's 6. 16 plus 1, 17. So in all, you know what, so what be the total? Before them sell anything, but them sell 2 of them, right? And the 2 of them are 172 times 2 make it. So that's 4, 4. So that's 344. That's what was sold. 344. 4 from 0 account. 1, 3. This is 6. 4 from 3 account. So you buy 1 again. So that's a 13. 4 from 13, 9. 3 from that will be 3. And then 7. So that is 8. Right, so 18 says, what is the sum of the following numbers? 290 and 0.13. So that's 200 and 0.13. Isn't that what they said? 90.1, 0.13. So that's 3, 2, 0, 9, 2. Decimal place, so that is. Can we cut it down, guys? But good to show the working. A case contains 24 bottles of spring water. Each bottle contains 15.91 fluid. All right. So it contains 24 bottles of spring water. Each bottle contains 25.91 fluid ounces of water. What is the total amount of water in the cases? So I will multiply that by 24. All right. So 15.91. I remember the point, right? Why? Just ignore the point, right? And multiply like it's a whole number. So 24. 4 1 is 4. 4 9 is 36. 4 5 20, and that's 23. 4 1 is 4, and that's 6. And now we're going to be multiplying by, let's say check again. 4 1 is 4. 4 9 36. 4 5 20. 2 4 5 20, and that's 23. 4 1 is 4, and that's 6. That's correct. So change it now so it can get mixed up. Alright, so now we do it by 2. 2 1 is 2. 2 9 is 18. 2 5 10, and 1 11. 2 1 is 2, and that's 3. So we total now to that be 0, 2. No, it's at 8. 1, 1 6 8. 3 and 8 11. So 1 carry 1. So that's 8. And then 3. So 3 81. So actually 4 and 0 4. So 381, 2 decimal place, 381.84. So that's what is 44.85. What is 44.85 divided by 13? So that's 44.8. 3 into this 3 into this 3 times, and that's 3 times 13, 39. Alright, so let us put it right now and let's subtract. So 9 from 4 you count, 9 from 13, that leaves 5. There's only 8. So 13 into this goes 4 times, and multiply, you get 52. So subtract, you get 6. Carry down the 5, you get 65, and that 5. So that's 3.45. So that's B. A teacher buys a roll of ribbon measuring 36.7 by 50, which equals to soon, right? And that left 70. That's one of yours. What is 4.85 times 10 divided times 100 divided by 10? Watch how I go right now. Simple. If you times 100, you have a 2 place here, right? But if you just divide this first, right? Because I just move your move. So it's going to be one place. So that'll be 485. Remember, efficiency is also important. A customer buy 9 bottles of detergent for $5.38 each. How much change will the customer receive from $50? So now we check out the price, the 9 first. Times 3, 27, 9 ones 9, and that's 11. 9, 5, 45, and 1, 46. So we subtract. Again, you have to borrow first. So you can use this all. Guys, you don't have to like it again, yeah? Alright, so 4, 9. Alright, so this would give you 3, 1 from 9, 8, 6 from 9, 3. So that's 3,083. What is 1/3 of 1,560? Dividing by 3, alright? 3 into this 5, 5 into this 15. Carry down the 6, 2, and then 0. So that's 520. Alright, so let's move on to 25. Which of the following list of fractions is in order of size with the lowest value? This is also a question. Alright, so this one, this is 0.7. I'll convert them to decimal. 33, 0.3 as 0, 1 over 3 as 0.3, 19 as 0.19 by 3/4. Alright, so this of the 3/4, this of it is this. So this is smallest. So 19 over 100 is smallest. 1/3 covering 3/4. So all we have to do is put to the order. And an A, no, an A. Yeah, A. So boom. Gonna go. A shopper buys these items: 1 1/4 green grapes, half kilogram red grapes, 3/4 kilogram apples. What is the total weight of fruits? So I could just look at it. A half would be this not early bit. A half plus 3/4, that's a 1 1/4. So it would be a 1 1/4 times 1 1/4. The simple way. So that's 2 1/2. Quarter and quarter and a half, ain't it? Calculate 9 over 10 minus 2 over 5. LCM would be 10. 10 into that, so that's 1 times 2 times 2, 4. So that's 5 over 10. 9 minus 4, that would be 5 over 10. Is the same thing as a half. Work out the value of 3 and 5, 10 plus 7, 10, and then subtract a half. Alright, so let's add first. Guys, you don't have to do that, you know. You don't need no one, right? The LCM would be 10 for all 3 numbers, right? 5 into 10, 2 times. 3 into 6, 10 into this 1. So that's 7 minus 2 into that 5. 6 and 7, 13 minus 5, that's 8 over 10. And can be reduced to 4 over 5. We divide both sides by 2, so that's 4 over 5. So that's C. 29. A student received 7 marks out of 10 in a test. What is the percentage? And that is 70% plus times it by 10, right? 100% rather. 6 out of 20 students in the 5th grade own a cell phone. What percentage owns a cell phone? 6 out of 20. So that's 1, 5, 5, 6, 30. A store offers a discount of 25% on item of an original price tag of 250. So 250 is 25% is the same as dividing by 4. That would be 6,250. Well, let's just work it out. Alright, so this done, this done. 5 into this, 2, 5 into this, 5. So this now 5 times 25, 125 by 2. As I said, it's $62.50. What is 20% of 50? 20% would be 10. Guys, you have to know them. 1, 2, 20, 10, right? Which of the following has the greatest value? 3 out of 5, I'll go work out to 0.6. 45% of 0.5. So that'll be 3 out of 5. What is 3/5 as a decimal fraction? It is in class so many times. 5 into 3, 0. 5 into 36, right? What is 6 and 3 over 20 as a decimal? All right, so let's work out about here, 20 over 3. So, all right, 20 into 3, and 0. And then 20 into that 1. So already, let's start this. All right. A family traveled 12,867 kilometers on their summer vacation. Round this number of kilometers to the nearest thousand. Right? So we are focused on 867. It's greater than 500. So that means it will be 13. A customer bank book showed that there was 3,836.52 in the bank. Round this off to the nearest 10. All right, so these are the nearest. So the nearest 1. And then, so it's a $36, so that means a 40. Right? 52.69 written correct to 1 decimal places. So again, add 1 to this, you get 752.7. Guys, I went over those in details in the first video, so you guys check out those. 4,436.46 written correct to 2 decimal places. Again, you go to the third one, add 1, you get 97. So that's 3436.47. So guys, if you haven't checked out my other videos, you need to check them out. All right. A student was asked to make a scale drawing of a room of rectangle. He measures the width of the room to be 13.5 feet. He uses 1 inch to 3 feet as a scale of drawing. Which of the following measurement is correct for the scale drawing? So he use 3. So that means a 3.5 divided by 3. No, 13.5. 3 into that 0, 3 into that 4. 3 4 12. 1 carried on to 5. 3 into that 5. So that's 4.5 inch. Alright, so guys are on our way. On a map, 10 centimeter represent 10 kilometer. What is the distance represented by 5 centimeter? Alright, so you just half it. So you half the 10. So we half the 15. So half of this at 25. That's just so much fun. Alright, let's move on to 42. Hit the like button, subscribe if you wish. 2 friends shared an amount of money in the ratio 3:1. The larger share was $60. What was the smaller share? So what they're saying that 3, call it x, is equal to 60 divided by 3. Next person, they'll get 20. Alright, let's move on to 43. 6 people recorded how long it took to complete a task. What is the mean average for the time taken? Oh Lord. Alright, so we have 80 and 80, 92, 99. Alright, so I'm going to add them here. I'm going to add 99, 80 and 80. Two minute break, guys, I'm going to add them separate. Alright, so 9 and 8, 17. 17 and 8, 25. So this is 259. So I'm going to add these 3 now. 88, 92, and 5, carry 1. 10, 9 and 1, 10, 19, 19 and 8, 275. So I'm going to say 275, 14, 4 carry 1, that gives 613. So in all, we get 534. So now, we get the correct answer. All right, so 6, 8, 48. That with 5, 34. 6 into that 9. So 89. 6 9 is 54, so that's 89. All right, 44. Megan, blah, 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 blah. The table shows 5 spelling test scores of 4 students. Each test was marked out of 20. Which student has the best mean score? Oh God, this is really, really, really annoying. That is hard. So Megan got 17, 18, 15, 14, 16. Literally, I forgot add them, you know. Not add them. It's on this. Yeah. 35, 50, 50 and 30, 80. One is the highest score, right? 90. Oh, guys, this is so annoying. Why would they do this? 19 and 9, 20, 39. Not on piece of 12 and this 25 and that 36. So this one I know. 6 and 9, 15, 5, 1. This is 75. Alright, 10 and this 27. And this 47. 47 and 47 and 23. 47, 20. So that was 70. Okay, for the last one, you see that this or this. Alright, so 18, 19. Let me just add them guys. When people are with you, stress this, stress, you know, I mean like press. So 18, 16, 19, 15, and 17. I think it's this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so 7, 9, 12, 19, 25, 33. And that 82. So that would be Avery. So that's A. Best average. Alright. On a cost comparison website, the same item for sale at 7 different stores. The prices are 89, What is the range of prices? So the highest price is 94. And the lowest seems to be 73. Yeah. So that's 121. So answer would be D. This formula gives the total cost of a car at a car dealership. T is equal to D plus 24M, where T represents the total cost. D, the deposit, and M, the monthly payment. What is the total cost of a vehicle with deposit of 50,000? So, as I do for so 50,000. And monthly payments 3,000. So that's 24 times 3,000. So then use your brain. Let's ignore the zero then. So let's multiply 24 times 3. 3 4 is 12, 2 1, 3 2 6, and that's 7. That is 72. So 0 0 0 2 7 5 12. So that's 1 2 2 0 0. So that's C. 47. 2A plus 5 is equal to 25. What will be the value of A? Alright, so 2A plus 5. 2A. We got this 100 and 25, 20, and divide by 2. So that will be 10. Alright, let's move on to 48. 6x minus 24 equal to 96. What is the value of x equal to 96? So we add it, so just 24. So 4 and 6, 10, 0, 31, 9, 10, that's 120, right? So by 6. Alright, so let's move on to 49. Figure not drawn to scale, what is the value of angle x? And that would be 180. No, I idiot. 360. So reflex is 360. minus 65, 295. Follow, morning. Yeah, my doing triangles people. Two minutes later. So number 50. Which of the following sets of side lengths could make an isosceles triangle? Now, isosceles, at least two sides must not even more, at least two sides. Two sides must be equal, right? So we have around this. This could be an isosceles and this could be an isosceles. Unless so we're supposed to choose to answer. Anyway, guys, those are the two sets. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. These triangles are drawn to scale. Which two triangles could be equilateral? And that is this and this. So A and C. 52. Calculate the perimeter of this T-shaped flower bed. So we need the perimeter. So here's going to be 8 also. And this will be 2. So let me try. I'm going to start from here. So 3 and 8, 11. Oh, we need to figure out this. All of this are 11. Right? So this are 4. And this are 4. Right here, so 3. So it makes sense. 4 plus 3, 7. All right, good. So 3 and 8, that's 11 plus 4, 15 plus this 17. So let's stop this one. So 17. Start here. So now 11 and 2, 13 and 4, 17 and 25. So this now 2, 31. So that's 42. The perimeter would be 42 centimeters. Very nice question. All right. This one better area. Calculate the area of the T-shaped bed. All right. So let me try break them down. Right here, so it would be 5. So the area for this would be 5 times 10 for this rectangle is 50 meters square. All right, so this now would be 3 and 5, 8, and that's 11 awesome. So that's 22 plus 52 plus 50 rather. So that's 3. Let's move on to 54. We're almost at the end. Hit the like button. Calculate the volume of this brick, length 22 centimeters, 8, 8. All right, so 8, 8 are 64. I'll times that by 22. 2, 2 is 4. No, 2, 4 is 8. 2, 6, 12. So that's 128. I give I 8, 10, 4, 1. So that's 1004. Or we could have said 22 times 8 times 8. Still get the sequence. All right, so 55, hit the like button. Here are the age of 50 members of a social service program. And then I need to construct a frequency table using the interval of 10 years. What is the frequency of the interval 61 to 70? This is stress. All right, so we're gonna look for all of them there. It's 61 to 70. So I'm gonna go column 61 to 70, 61 to 70. So one that not included, it's included, 61 included, it's included, it's included, it's included, it's included, 61 to 70 not, 69 included, this not included, this 76 no, 76 no, 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 60 no, 39 no, 37 no, no, 60 no, 65 yes, 72 no, 68 is 65 yes, 70 yes. All right, so these are the ones that I get. If look if you see any guys, I may miss. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Miss someone. hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. All right. So that would be 11. 56. The diagram shows the average rainfall in a town over the first 6 months of the year. So we have the average rainfall from the graph. A reasonable estimate of the amount of rainfall in May is, so that's May. So it's that time is 8. Oh, all right. So this is 6.4. Just to say, all them are these also. All right. 4 venture scouts sold popcorn for 1 month. The pictograph shows how much money each venture account collected, and this represents $50. One of these represent 150, which is a key. What was the total amount of money 4 venture scouts collected? Oh Lord, this is tough. All right, so every 2 are 300. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so that's 600. So that's a 750. Come on, so just think about 15, right? This would be 600. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 15. No, man. It's a 300, 600, 900. So 1,015 rupees. And this is 600. This will be the 750. And this make 300. I'm set it out proper now. So 1,050, 600, 750, and 300. 27. And after so it's a 0, 5 and 5, 10, 0, carry 1, 6 and 1, 7, 14, and that's 7, carry 1. So that's 27. So that's D. Alright, let's move on to 58. The chart below shows the number of road accidents in a major city of 6 months of last year. How many accidents were there in June compared to February? June compared to February. So June is 600. And February will be, let's see now how much it go by 200. So here, so half, we pass half, you know, it's at 300, right? Pass half, you know. See half here, see additional 50. So this is about 3. Yeah, so that is 600. I pass the half, right? Minus the 50. Leave it in the comment section if you disagree or guys, I'm blind, you know, too much computer. The pie chart shows our family spent income in July 2014. Total income was 45,000. How much money did the family spend on transport? Oh Lord. So 30 and 30, 60. 30 and 30, 60. And that 90. So the parents spend 10% on transport. 10%, which is 45. 4,500, you know. 2,500. 10% is the same as dividing by 10. All right, number 60. Final one. The diagram shows the measurement between 3 towns taken from a map with a scale of 1 centimeter represent 5 kilometers. A woman wants to go from town B, so let me just mark that, from town B to town C. So that's the journey. What is the actual distance? Now, 1 centimeter represents 5, so that would be 5 times 10. Oh, God. Guys, remember, if you want to become a member of my class, or if you have somebody you want to recommend, this is the number for them to WhatsApp them, right? So we can summer or early September soon. So it's 5492161. This is gonna send them out to you guys in another video. Now, guys, take care. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you share. More.